After the successful launch of the Nikon Z8 and ZF, Nikon's popularity is at an all-time high right now, because everyone is eagerly expecting the next product from this manufacturer. As we know, the Nikon Z7 II was launched in October 2020, which means it's been 3 years since its release. And we believe that Nikon will soon reveal its successor, the Nikon Z7 III. So what are the final specs, and when can we expect to see it? Let's find out! To begin with, Nikon Z7 Mark III will feature a higher resolution sensor compared to its predecessor. It is expected to have a 61.2 megapixel sensor, whereas the Z7 Mark II has a 45.7 megapixel sensor. This means that the Z7 Mark III will be able to capture more intricate details and produce larger prints. Nikon is clearly aiming to compete with the Sony a7R V and the Canon R5 Mark II in this regard. Furthermore, the introduction of the Nikon Z8 shows Nikon's commitment to pushing boundaries in camera technology. However, it's important to note that the Z7 III and Z8 will serve different purposes. The Z8 is designed for action photography, while the Z7 III is geared towards landscape photography. It's possible that the buffer capacity of the Z7 III may be smaller than that of the Z7 II due to the increase in resolution. Nevertheless, the inclusion of a double X-Speed 7 processor and CF Express cards should significantly improve the performance and handling of high-resolution files in the Z7 III.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
Now let's delve into the video capabilities of these cameras. Both the Z7 Mark III and Z7 Mark II can shoot 4K video, but there are some noteworthy differences. The Z7 Mark III offers a higher maximum frame rate of 60 FPS at a 1.2x crop, or 120 FPS at a 1.5x crop. In comparison, the Z7 Mark II provides 4K video at 60 FPS with 93% sensor coverage, resulting in approximately a 1.08x crop. Additionally, the Z7 Mark III stands out by being able to shoot 4K video at 30 FPS without any crop, which is a significant advantage for videographers. It's worth noting that it's unlikely Nikon will add a 4K 120p function to these cameras, as doing so might diminish the uniqueness of their most popular model, the Z8. In terms of design, the Z7 Mark III will maintain the same body structure as the Z7 Mark II. However, there are notable differences in certain aspects. The Z7 Mark III will sport a higher resolution electronic viewfinder, or EVF, with 5.76 million dots, whereas the Z7 Mark II has a 3.69 million dots EVF. Both cameras will share a 3.2-inch rear LCD screen with 2.1 million dots. Regarding storage options, both cameras will have a single CF Express XQD card slot and a single UHS-2 SD card slot. However, the Z7 Mark III will utilize a new EN-EL15Z battery, which is CIPA rated to last for 420 shots with the LCD and 360 shots with the EVF. In contrast, the Z7 Mark II uses an older EN-EL15B battery, which is rated for 400 shots with the LCD and 360 shots with the EVF. Furthermore, the Z7 Mark III will be compatible with a new MB-N11 battery grip that includes vertical controls, while the Z7 Mark II is compatible with the older MB-N10 battery grip. There is very limited information available about the price of the Nikon Z7 Mark III. It's positioned as the successor to the Nikon Z7 Mark II and a competitor to the Canon EOS R5, so its price is expected to fall in the range of $3,000 to $3,500. Additionally, Nikon is reportedly planning to release the successor to the Nikon Z6 Mark II after launching the Z8 and ZF models. As a result, we can anticipate the release of the Z7 Mark III sometime in the fourth quarter of 2023 or early in 2024. So are you excited for it? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Consider subscribing for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.